ECOVACS DEEBOT N79 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Product details. Suction option, main brush. Cleaning modes, auto, spot, edge and single room. Spot clean time, 2-5 minutes. Air filtration, high efficiency filter. Side brushes, nylon material. Input voltage and frequency, 100-120 VAC 50/60 Hz. Auto charging, yes. Time scheduling function, yes. Noise level, approximate 0.64. Charging time H, approximate 3 to 4 hours. Battery capacity, Li-ion, 2600. Dustbin capacity, 300. Max working time per charge, 100 minutes. Product description. Smartphone app controls, schedule and track cleaning sessions, accessory status, battery life, and receive error alerts. Android and Apple compatible. Direct suction vacuum, helix brush roll, dual side brushes combined with smart motion guided auto clean and 3 specialized cleaning modes. Anti-collision/drop sensor protection, comprehensive, intelligent sensor safety technology plus durable protective bumpers. The N79 incorporates a HEPA-style high-efficiency air filtration system that captures dust and allergy-inducing particles while cleaning. If you need this, please check the description for details and best price. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.